Hey everybody, Sara Strat Sniper here. Sorry I missed you last week. We had the St. Louis Strat meetup, which was a super fun time. Last video I made was at the end of March, and I know I was talking about the flip and that we just needed to let it open, let April open, and see what they wanted to do. So let's get into it and see what happened and why and how you could have anticipated this move down. Okay, SPY on the monthly. In March, we took out our target objective, which was 458.12. We ended the previous week with a shooter at exhaustion because we had taken out our target. Then we went 2 up, 2 down. We did not quite take out the magnitude. All right, I added that 450 level back to my chart because SPY seems to keep retreating and retracting back to that level. Just a fun level to note, a strong psychological level, and many touches on the monthly time frame at that level. So a lot of price action happening in there. As far as next week goes, though, I really don't like any setups. We're nowhere near going 2-2 back up. And I do not like taking 2 down continuations. So we'll just have to kind of wait and see what unfolds and what they want to do next week. Oh, next week also is a short week. The market is closed on Friday for Good Friday. And then the following Monday in celebration of Easter. So keep that in mind, you options traders. QQQ, same story. So, like I was saying, in March, our target was 370 to become an outside month. We did that. So March closed here, opened here, and we went from buying to selling. Same story. We hit our 370 magnitude, our target, got a shooter on the week, and went 2 up, 2 down. Okay? Same thing though, I don't really like any setups going into next week. Again, I don't play 2-2 continuations down, and we're nowhere near going 2-2 up. So, probably going to have to look at individual stocks. Everything's kind of going to look the same. IWM did the same thing, took out our monthly magnitude at 209, ended with a doji week. Then we went 2 up, 2 down reversal this week. Same story, I don't like it for next week. This might be a week I just sit out, and that's totally fine. The VIX, still killing it. If anybody took that 28.84 short, we've taken out all of our magnitudes on the weekly. And this past week, we went outside week. Not a lot to say here. Again, I don't like it for next week. Gold. Went 2 down last week, took out magnitude, stayed an inside week this week. So this is actually a really good setup. So next week, if you break above the inside week, you want to be bullish. Well, here, look at the daily. The daily, these are your targets. 183, 185, 187, 188. I remember saying 2 weeks ago, if we broke above 183, it was bullish, but we never did do that. So that would have kept you out of a long trade that didn't trigger. XLE energy, still super strong. Last week we went 2 down, 2 up. Couldn't quite take out our magnitude. I'm going to get rid of these extra lines. Those were old targets that had already hit, so I'm deleting them and just leaving the local highs as our new target. And then these other targets I got from just going back in time, way back in time, 2015. However, again, I don't like it for next week because we already went 2 up, and I don't take 2-2 continuations. So again, not a great setup. I would sit it out. Bitcoin is so fun. I remember we talked about it right before the break, and I said if we break above 45.8, we're going to go visit 48 because of the monthly chart. A 2-1-2 reversal, the target is the top of the previous two. So we hit that, right? In March, we hit it. Okay, let's look at the weekly. So that 48, we'll call it 48,000. That 48,000 level was hit. So that's your target. So I'm always screaming, take profit at your targets. Hit it, got a red 2 up week. And then this week we got a 2 up, 2 down reversal. So this move should have been expected. Profit should have been taken right here. And if you would have liked to, you could have flipped short on the 2-2 reversal week. But again, going in the next week, don't like it. Even if it continues down, that's fine. I won't be a part of it. Don't take continuations. I am a very picky trader. XLU utilities. So this is on the list for being a market leader. Super strong. We had this weekly broadening formation that broke up and out. So broadening formation expansion. After that 2-1-2 weekly entry, still going, still strong. Again, still you're at all-time high exhaustion risk. So you're fine. I would put my stop at 70. Probably use that pivot low. I would put my stop at 73.96. Because you can't get a reversal till you get a reversal. So it's still good. There you go. So good target might be 80 psychological for you. Market laggard or weakest sector is technology, XLK. And this was a perfect 2 up, 2 down weekly reversal because it even hit magnitude. Right? So the short trade was at a break below the previous week's low, 156.69, with your target being 152.46. And we closed the week at 152.41. So that was a perfect 2 up, 2 down reversal. Again, don't like it heading into next week. Nowhere near going 2 up, and I don't play 2 down continuations. So might have to be pretty picky. Might have to be pretty picky about my setups going into this next week, this short week. I'll probably be looking at more stocks and not the sectors and not futures. So be picky, play what you like, or if you don't like anything, take the week off if you have that luxury. Okay. Signing off here. Thanks for watching. As always, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on Twitter. Bye.